Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make carrot and aloe vera hair growth oil. This oil has amazing ingredient that helps to stimulate hair growth. If you are interested in this, just keep watching.
Just forgive you, I just wanna be fine. I've been waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight.
Welcome back again to my channel. If you are new here, thanks for clicking on this video. In this channel I teach how to grow your hair long, thick and healthy with beautiful DIY hair products. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell so you won't miss out whenever I upload a new video. I will be using 4 pieces of carrot and fresh aloe vera leaf.
Make sure you're right. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna feel you tonight. Got me. Got me. Can I feel you? Got me.
Carrot oil provides tons of great benefit for both your hair and scalp. It encourages hair growth, prevents hair loss and split ends. It also eliminates dandruff and dry scalp. Carrot oil contains high level of vitamin A and E, which are essential nutrients for our hair.
To light up.
Aloe vera also have beautiful nutrients which promote healthy hair and hair growth. Both ingredients works well on natural and relaxed hair.
I could become the one for another one. Hey you. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna fear you tonight. Got me.
Now I will transfer both the carrot and aloe vera into my cooking pan and add the amount of oil I want and start cooking it on a low heat.
You got me. I don't wanna see you. I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna fight you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you, I just wanna be fine. I've been waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Hey you. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I don't wanna see you. I don't wanna fear you tonight. You don't wanna know me. You just wanna make sure you're right. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna feel you tonight. Got me. Got me. Can I feel you? Got me. Got me. Can I feel you?
So here I will allow it to cool. After that I will use my strainer to separate the oil from the residues and transfer it to my storage bottle. You can use this oil to massage your scalp and also apply it on your hair strand whenever you feel like.
I'll be waiting for a sign to light wanna feel mine. Hey you, I could become the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna fear you tonight. Got me. Got me.
That will be all for this video. If you find this video interesting and helpful, please give it a thumbs up and also share it out. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one.
You don't wanna know if I feel alright.